Hello, my people. Problem not dey finish for this word. Oh. Problem just dey on it. Oh, people just dey drag and they drag and they drag. I see this news. I say, may I carry and come tell my people. Maybe my people deliberate on it. Now make me carry and run. Come Naija Daughter. Welcome to Naija Daughter. If today the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. Yeah, so now so we reach. Now so we reach. Yes, so I appreciate all my returning. May the good Lord bless you guys all. Yes, I bring this news to come. I know that this is my news today about big YouTuber, our Nollywood stars, and trending news. Also, yes, now waiting this my channel day about. Okay, not just day about in one particular day everywhere. My people are going like me now. Listen to this our beautiful sister. Wait till she talk. Let's listen to her before we debate on our own.
Like this guy that paid my school fees that wants to marry me, but I don't want to marry him. Yes, I know he paid my school fees and I appreciate. I'm so grateful for you paying my school fees, Darlington. But as for me to marry you, sorry, I cannot marry you and I know my reason. And no one should ask me, should beg me to do so to marry you because I went through hell because of your family. Have you forgotten when when you introduced me to your mom? You introduced your mom as your fiancé. You wanted to marry me. Your mom said that. Even say it. Who dare say it in my front that you cannot marry me. That you cannot marry someone that doesn't have a parents. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten what your sister said? Your sister said that
my people, now there the thing for end. I hope now hear am. For me, shout those kind gist that they like to chook my mouth, echo my little as my old sense and my brain reach. First of all, my beautiful sister, you say you no marry man when he train you for school, but you allow this man make he train you for school. This guy, he go introduce you, give him mama. He call him mama, my fiancé or my sweetheart. Maybe now name when they call him mama. I remember those days when my senior brother and my love, now stole my mama phone number. Woman come say, go say, no, I'm mama, very peaceful woman. She not send, she not get anybody time. Now how she they do? Now how? Not concern me, not concern her. Woman come say, because my senior brother stole my mama as my love. Say, that time when you dey train me for school, you stole your mama love. I know marry you. Remember, you will still be mother one day. Yes. Remember, you will still be mother one day. And your son go store your name with sweet name. Then your son wife go say, no, I no marry you because your mama, you call your mama my fiancé. Guys, they close to their mother. Let tell ourselves the truth. Good guy that they love their mama. Good guy that they, in fact, they love their, they go first introduce them to you. Say, na my love, oh, na my everything, oh, na my mom, oh. Guys. Now, guys, when they carry their brain, they sell them. Now, they know they send mama. That one and that one. You know, say this guy, you know, marry him. You allow him to train you for school. Now, you can sit on camera and speak good English. In fact, even drive the car. That one, when you put your eye to. He never married you before. You say you know what you went through. What you went through. If I quick you explain. Because you say what you talk now. Your first statement say he introduced his mama to you as a fiancé. What it concern you? Now marry, they marry, they go that family. No be you, they marry them. They are marry you. This guy, they train you for school. You know me say guy, they train you. You know me say guy train you for school. You go marry him. Are you for it? Guy, that is if I just train every lady out there now. It's a training me through school does not mean I will marry you. Lady, tell boyfriend. Man, when he train you for school, maybe this guy now don't go school. He wants woman when he go school. Then he see you, he fall in love with you. Any man when not say he not get anything, he not get anything to do with you. He not train you for school. He not invest in you. May I tell you the truth? Before man they invest in you, before man say okay, they train you, me and you, then boyfriend and girlfriend. You know say that man get future for you. Yes, except all those sugar daddy. Man, you just carry yourself. You not say you know enter this family. You know let this guy. You know marry him. You let this guy invest for you finish. Then you can carry your camera. You set him. You say you know me say guy train you for school. You know marry him. If now you get that money because now waiting man they do. Some women see they do am. Imagine you train man for school because you don't go school and you get upper hand, you get the money. You can't trade the man for school. At the end, the man will say you not illiterate. Wait till you go talk. Or you will say you not fit marry and wait till you go talk. Because I believe many guys, when they train woman for school, many of them don't go school. They want so that maybe their woman go, maybe they train maybe they teach their pikin when they will get together. Some go, but they will still love, make their wife go. Make two of them be graduates. But you know say you know marry this guy. You put your body, make this guy marry you. This one totalize me, my people. If you be the girl out there, you know say this man, this guy, you know, marry am. Please don't go. Don't let that guy to sow seed. You know, to that is. Oh, what I want to talk. Don't let that guy to invest in you. At the end, after the investment, you can't say, guy, go. If they do your brother, he go pay you. Not only other person, brother. It's not good. When you know say introduce your mama to you as a fiance and you know marry her, that time for just pack your kaya. You when you not get papa, you not get mama. Now inside car you dey. We know as Nigeria say hard. You know say you not get papa, you not get mama. The guy look and say maybe you go get peace for there. At the end now, you feel the one when you pay me, you set camera, you dey talk. And not me say you train you. You go fit train guy. You go fit train somebody. My people like to read comment because the thing pay me as I see. Well, anybody not come for me, you're free to drop your own opinion. He pay me. The guy not supposed to act like that. For me, it's no for me. For me, I don't know about you. For me, it's no for me. Because guy, when you know say you know marry, why you go allow and make the invest for you? For what? You go tell am say no invest for me, I no marry you. Then the guy go. Not be say after investment, you can't come out on social media. Maybe now the guy will buy you the phone when you take the film now. May he not love you, mama. May he just love only you, abi? Her mother would not call her to order now until the story change. She not get mama again. This person now, this comment say her mother will not call her to order now till the story change. They say you not get mama, you not get papa. Now, according to her, she say you say you not fit marry person, you not get mama, you not get papa. Say you just prove his sister, right? You just prove his sister, right? She is a woman and woman know their fellow evil. You are a traitor. Yes, she's really traitor. Guy, when you know say you don't get anything when you want to do with him, you just allow the guy to invest in you, this lady, and you still have audacity to set a camera to say, you know me say guy train you for school. Why you allow that guy to train you for school? I dey ask you. Why you allow that guy to train you for school when you know say as this guy dey train you for school, you know marry? E get one story when I know this guy dey train her for school, rent flat. All those kind of people when they go school, those kind of men go rent flat for them or rent self-contained. They go dey drive car, they go dey do them well. As my wife, as many people say, I say that married woman, many people say, I say that person old. Those kind of people. So this lady, this guy, he train her for school. After I don't train her for school finish, it's like the eye can't open. He can't say I bring the story come for the same channel. He can't say the guy not sabi dress. The guy na like this. The guy belle do like this. But when you dey chop the guy money, you not cover, they don't blind your face. Your eye open. Just because you don't graduate, now don't see small guy who na gather graduate together. Now this small guy now you want enter. Then after at the end, what they hear say, hey, this is person buy your wife. Hey, this is person buy your husband. Now no here. The one where God give you now, may he help you now, may he change you now, status. That kind of person who now go they look and I say mugu. Una don't know say now una be the mugu 1, mugu 2, mugu 3. Yes. They will say now women be woman problem. I not be woman problem because wetin you know say they don't do you, they don't do your brother, they don't do your child. Don't ever do anybody child like that. Don't try it and do anybody child like that. When God settled and give you somebody, some people dey, some men who dey, they don't care whether you want to go school. But this man, he care. He see your brain. You see, say maybe you don't finish secondary school. You need to further investing. He train you finish. So to train person for investing for Nigeria, if you don't get money, you fit go investing. Now you have the audacity now. Person like me now, go dey talk for you. They say, what she sharing? I don't know. Na shine her. She shine what? She shine one. Who do one? Your God to be. He make you to be like that. You say no. Say the one when you don't know your left or right, where you for grow. When you don't know your growth, now you want follow. Are you my people, my brothers or my sister out there? Me una dey look woman when you love you now. Me una dey go for woman when you love you now. Me una dey go for man when you love you now. Me una leave the beauty aside. My Prophet T.B. Joshua, may he so rest in peace. He said, inner beauty is the best. Inner beauty. What of that beauty when you dey see physical? God forbid. Maybe something can happen to the face. You go run even. But if that inner beauty dey, that one I go dey push you, they go. Inner beauty. I believe say maybe woman when he go favor that guy, now that guy don't use am pursue am. He go say na this akpoloka when he want train for school, now he wants. Because I know many of our East brother they really do that thing well because this story one I see talk short, so maybe the video I don't know whether if YouTube accepts am. Now East they train their wife, they love to train their wife. At the end, you now wanna be the wife now come out because una husband not be now husband is speaking now man. Now go say no. The one when you go buckish you now say now will carry. My people, like this one I get to talk. Oh, this our sister. When I tell me collect sense, drop love comment. Yes, Now wetin she talk, now I break come at my channel. I just give her my small advice as a sister, make she double think, make she not look that guy say Nigeria deep oh, who not go no know, be very careful. Maybe he no know road, another person be very careful, because who they beat, they not say me not cry. Be very very careful, except you just jam in jail. Be very careful oh. One man no suffer for you, another man come put you for house. You know green oh. Be very careful, or except he will give you the, you tell me give you the bill. You'll give you the bill, then you go pay and you'll go peaceful. But if you dey out there any girl, you know say that guy want, maybe you want start friendship or boyfriend and girlfriend, and the man want marry you, they train you for school, you know say you don't love that guy. Tell her immediately. Earlier is the better. Say no, I no fit marry you, I no fit lie to you. Please do am before the guy go invest wetin dem no do you, no do another person. My people, feel free to drop your own opinion. Wetin you think about am, okay? Drop your own opinion. If you never subscribe, subscribe. Wetin you dey wait for? Anytime I upload this my video, all those video I just film tomorrow's video, please subscribe to me. If you never subscribe, if you don't see me for my premiere, please stay there, watch, give me thumbs up. Tomorrow will be busy for me. Yes, so mommy of two. If you get child, always advise her, always talk to her. I remember when I grow up that time, my dad would say, don't ever chook am for man pocket. It's forbidden. You don't know what it is inside pocket. Men, they are deep inside there. My dad always, that thing. In fact, I use am grow. Thing, say, I'll go, they pull hand, me no, pardon, children noise. Pull hand for man pocket. My gas, I know who shall say, you know, no, I'm not a quick me again. You know, they used to me because now waiting my dad, they train me. Don't ever pull hand for man pocket. That's day. Don't ever pull hand for man pocket. You see, I believe how you take train your child, how you take train your daughter, how you take train your son, you go use and grow. Let give our children a good treatment, and may we train them the right way, okay, so that when they grow, those things don't come up from their head. Imagine adults, a mother of two, as I did like this, don't look this station. As I did like this, if you say na be 22, na be 25, how many you give me? As I did like this now, I still remember when I did grow up, my dad say no put hand for my pocket. That thing I use and grow. I know they quick me just go my dad the gist that they chook hand. When I they would they use and take wash clothes. Who never started to have children. I know they chook hand for a pocket too. You know concern me. Because you know master me. You see, train your child the way she or he will grow. Abi we go abi. Sorry, if I not appreciate all my returning, now wait till I get, my son Bobo. Hey, I appreciate you now. May una join this family, this Naija daughter. May una join. If you never subscribe to Esther Family TV, una subscribe. See, I see you in my next video. Give me a thumbs up. Baby, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. My daughter,